Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for YouTube Partner Program monetization. First, you need to ensure your channel meets the eligibility criteria set by YouTube. This involves reaching specific milestones and adhering to their community guidelines. We'll then walk through the application submission process within YouTube Studio, including linking your AdSense account. Understanding these steps is crucial for a smooth application. To qualify for the YouTube Partner Program, your channel needs to hit a few key metrics. You'll need at least 1,000 subscribers. Additionally, you must have 4,000 valid public watch hours over the past 12 months, or 10 million valid public shorts views within 90 days. Most importantly, your channel must strictly adhere to all of YouTube's monetization policies and community guidelines. Once eligible, head to YouTube Studio and click on the Earn section. Here, you'll find the option to apply. The first step is to review and accept the YouTube Partner Program terms. Next, you'll either sign up for a new Google AdSense account or link an existing one. This account is essential for receiving payments. After these steps, YouTube will review your channel. After submitting your application, YouTube usually takes about 30 days to review your channel. You'll receive an email notification regarding their decision. If your application isn't approved, don't worry. YouTube will provide reasons, allowing you to make necessary adjustments and reapply. Remember to keep creating valuable content. Also, for a great resource on managing your finances, check the description for a recommended book and other deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.